When you talk about disinfection, always think about cleaning. And when you think about cleaning, think of an effective product that will help you clean so that you don't render your disinfection useless or ineffective. Because every time you disinfect on dirty surfaces or surfaces that have not been cleaned thoroughly well, you are at the risk of having your disinfection ineffective. We are all very aware of a term that is called biosecurity. When we talk about biosecurity, many of you resonate with disinfectants. Disinfectants which are very common, and we use them mostly at our farms to disinfect the poultry houses in order to kill all pathogens that are going to cause diseases amongst our flocks. However, there's still a knowledge gap that is about cleaning before we disinfect. Many of our farmers don't understand the essence or the reason as to why we clean before we disinfect our poultry houses. And many of those who know about the concept of cleaning still use inefficient or ineffective products to clean. We've seen very many people use detergents that we commonly use to clean our clothes. So when we talk about cleaning before disinfection, we should first understand why do we clean these poultry houses. We clean the poultry houses to remove droppings, dirt, and all organic matter that might be stuck on the floors, on the walls, and things like that. Because these pathogens, they have a tendency of hiding inside this organic matter, inside the dirt, inside the feces, that when you come to disinfect your poultry house, they are not, the disinfectant is not effective, and Kenosan is a solution that will help you clean before you disinfect. What Kenosan does, it penetrates all organic matter, droppings, dirt, and all those stubborn organic matter that usually stay on the floors, on the walls after, we take our birds out of the poultry houses. So what Kenosan will do, it will penetrate and make it easy for you to remove all the organic matter, all the droppings, that by the time you bring in your disinfectant reaches all the corners, all the pores, all the areas where the pathogens would have hidden themselves, so that the disinfectant doesn't work on them. Now, Kenosan is found at all our outlets countrywide, at all our dealerships, agents, and you can be able to reach us through our social media platforms, the numbers we provide, our emails, or through our sales agents that are casually in the fields and ever reaching out to you. Nutrinova remains the #1 company that is here to support farmers to improve the health and nutrition of their animals through science-backed solutions, and we also help you reduce on the amount of antibiotics